the dark side of the perfume industry. Controversies you didn't know about. Perfume. It's all about luxury, beauty, and self-expression. But did you know the fragrance industry has its fair share of controversies? From the hidden ingredients to celebrity scandals, let's dive into the secrets of the perfume world. Did you know that many perfume brands don't fully disclose their ingredients? Fragrance formulas are considered trade secrets, meaning brands can hide potentially harmful chemicals under the vague term fragrance or perfume. This lack of transparency has led to concerns over allergens and endocrine disruptors found in perfumes. Some high-end brands have been accused of cultural appropriation, using traditional scents from indigenous communities without giving credit or compensation. Celebrity perfumes. Some are bestsellers, but others have caused major drama. From lawsuits over unfulfilled contracts to accusations of copying existing scents, celebrity fragrances don't always smell like success. Animal testing is still a concern in the perfume industry, especially in countries where it's required by law. Plus, ingredients like musk and sandalwood have raised sustainability concerns. So, next time you spritz on your favorite scent, think about what goes into that bottle. What do you think about these controversies? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of beauty and fashion.